Let's talk 45-70. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is my friend Páter Öcsik
and my friend Balázs Német,
and we are the heads of the organization of the first Hungarian long-range Blackpowder cartridge Grand Prix held in August 2022 in Hungary.
If you have a single-shot rifle what is designed for Blackpowder cartridge, like this one, spring-free trapdoor,
or like this Remington rolling block made by Pedersoli. Actually, the same model was used by Tony Martello this year at the Creedmoor 150 match, and he won that match. The largest distance was 1000 yards, so these rifles can do the job. Then your best place to be in August is Hungary, Szentendre.
We will shoot together with the muzzle loader guns from 300 yards to 1000 yards.
Yeah. So, and if you want to have more information about the match, then please follow the following link, capandball.com. Here you will find any information about the rules of the match and also about accommodation, travel, so come to Hungary, guys.
See you in Hungary in August.
But before we go on, let us thank the supporters of this event. Davide Pedersoli, the finest firearms replicas since 1957. Capandball, your favorite gun channel on YouTube in beautiful bright Hunglish. Lee Shaver Gunsmithing, the single shot specialist.
If you like the long-range shooting, come to Hungary. The best one.